Okay, so I own original AirPods and I also own AirPods Pro and AirPods Max. So I thought it's time to buy the AirPods 3rd gen also. So I have all different AirPods. I have collect them all, as you say in Pokémon. So I bought these at Elgiganten here in Sweden, so they have destroyed the package already with their own sticker, though. I don't like that. Some of the magic packaging that Apple is doing is destroyed by doing that. But let's see if I can open the box with Apple magic anyway. And it worked quite good, even with that sticker on the box. And here we have some instructions and so on, but no sticker. I don't like that. So I only get sticker with the Pro version and the Max version, not the normal AirPods. That's strange. And what's more in the box? We have a charging cable. Also packaged with Apple Magic, as you can see, really easy to remove and all that, and without plastic. Apple doesn't like plastic anymore. But nice to have a charging cable in the box, but no charger. That's a decision Apple took a few years ago, but here is a charging cable anyway. USB-C to Lightning. That's good. Now let's see the new AirPods 3rd gen. And I will also compare them to my AirPods 1st gen and AirPods Pro later on in the video. A bit smaller package than AirPods Pro and a bit bigger than AirPods 1st gen. A much shorter stem, as you can see, and it looks more like AirPods Pro without the rubber bud at the top of them. So looks really nice, really nice. I like them a lot, and the weight is maybe a bit heavier than the AirPods 1. So, but they looks awesome, really awesome. I love them already. Very easy to put in and take out from the charging case. Very easy. So let's compare them now. The charging cases is about the same on the AirPods 1 and 3, but not the AirPods Pro and the AirPods 3rd gen. AirPods Pro case is bigger, but not as thick. And AirPods 1 is about the same, maybe a bit bigger actually than the AirPods 3rd gen. Now let's compare the earbuds themselves. Here we have the AirPods 3rd gen. And now here we have the AirPods 1st gen. Or 2nd gen. They look the same. And now let's see how big and small they are compared. The weight is a bit more on the AirPods 3rd gen, but the stem is a lot shorter and looks more modern. And it has a button on the stem. It doesn't have that on the AirPods 1st gen. Now compare them to the AirPods Pro with about the same design as the AirPods 3rd gen. As you can see, they have about the same design on the back of them, and the stem looks to be the same size. Of course, the Pro has a rubber bud, but almost looks the same. So they have the same nice modern look of the design of them. Hopefully the music audio quality of the 3rd gen is better than the AirPods 1st gen, but maybe not better than the AirPods Pro, because the AirPods Pro has a better bass, is my guessing, because of the rubber bud. But it looks very the same of the design to me. So it will be nice to have this in my AirPods collection too. Very, very cool. So please like this video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.